Hello, today we're going to look at the GlobalSat BU353-NC GPS receiver. It is their latest device they made with a USB Type-C. So here's the box. The box is white. Here's some details about the device, some more specs, and it shows that it works with Linux, Mac, Android, and Windows. Today we will be looking at how to install it on the Mac. Please note it is only the Mac. It is not iOS, so it does not work on iPhone or iPad. So here what comes in the box. Let's open it up. Here is the main device. As you can see, it shows NC, and then this is type C USB. So this is the new connector. They have another one that is USB and another one that is serial, but this one's a USB-C. On the box, it is also the user manual. If you open it up, it will walk you on how to install the driver, and I'll also give you some specs. And the last thing that comes in the box is a suction cup. Alright, so first thing you will need to do is go to your Mac, and then on the user manual it will tell you to go to the website, which is globalsat.com.tw. Once you are on their website, up here, click support. Once you're on the support page, you should find the device, and it's right here, BU353-NC. Click on that, and then you will need to download the driver. As you can see right here, it says driver for Mac. Just click on that and click allow, and then I'll start downloading it. And then you want to open the file, press continue, install. It's going to ask you for your password. Okay, once you enter your password, you will get some block extension. Just press OK. And then you want to open your system settings. Click on the PL2303, enter your password again, and then press done. So now it has installed it. So make sure that when you install the driver, you give it permission to install the driver. Because the driver is not coming from the Apple Store, you have to give it permission. Once you install the driver, it will ask you to restart your Mac, so go ahead and restart it. You can keep it or move to trash, it does not matter. Once you restarted your Mac, the driver should be installed, and now you can just plug in your BU353-NC and it should work on your navigational software. But if you go back to their website, globalsat.com.tw, go to support, click on the device BU353-NC, and come back to this page, you can see they have a GPS info tool for Mac. So this tool is just to check if the device is working. You don't have to use this tool. So you click here, I will take you to a Google Drive, and you download the app. Just download it Start to download. Once it's downloaded, make sure to connect your BU353-NC. Connect it, and then you will allow for it to connect. Double click the GPS info. Press open, and it should show this. So make sure it's 4800 baud rate. It should say PL2303G, and then you press connect. Right, it should say connected, and then you should see data scrolling, and it will have blue bars. So right now, it's looking at satellites. Because we are inside, it doesn't have signal yet. But once it starts blinking red, it means you have a GPS fix, and should show up here. So this right now shows the device is connected and talking to your Mac. So all you would do is close this app, and then you would open your navigational software you want to use, and it should be working.